This beautiful thing, this is mutton curry, quick and easy. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Ashok Anand Vlogs. Today we are making mutton curry. So I'll be explaining how to make the mutton curry with all the ingredients. So just follow till the end and then I'll show you how it turns out. I'm going to first wash the mutton well with water. Strain out the water. We will take 4 medium sized onions and then peel them and cut the edges. Now we will slice them like this. We will now cook the cleaned mutton with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi. We will also add 1 sliced onion. We'll cook this on medium to high flame till the mutton loses all its moisture. We'll mix it well now so that the turmeric and the onions all mix well with the mutton. The mutton will become slowly brown. You can still see there is moisture, so we keep cooking till it loses all its moisture. Now we will roughly cut a few tomatoes to make a puree. We'll add them to the mixer grinder. Our puree is ready. Now we will rough cut 3 medium sized onions that we showed earlier to make a paste. We'll add them to the mixer grinder. Grind well so the paste is smooth. Our onion paste is ready. Our mutton is completely dry now. Now we will start to make the curry. We will add a little bit of oil. Depending upon whether there was fat in the mutton, you can reduce the amount of oil now. Now we will add some cinnamon sticks, some cloves and 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. I am taking 1 kg mutton here, so you can proportionately change the amount of spices that you add. Now we are adding the prepared onion paste. Now we will mix well, stir well so that the onion paste, the cloves, the spices all mix well. Now everything has mixed well. Now we'll add some dry spices. Half a teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon red chili powder.
1.5 teaspoon.
My spoon was small, so I am adding it twice. Now I am also adding 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder to this. All these spices will give a rich aroma and a nice flavor to the mutton curry. Take care to reduce the flame a little so that the dry spices don't burn. Then mix well. Now add the prepared tomato puree. Now again mix well. Now we will add enough water so that the mutton pieces are submerged in water, and then we will cover the pressure cooker. It should look like this. The mutton pieces are just coming out of the water. That much water you should add. Just remember to add a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon now. Cover and cook the mutton on high flame for 1 whistle and 4 to 5 whistles in medium flame. It's coming close, guys. I can feel it. Now all the whistles are done. Check whether the steam is left and then open. Mutton is done. Look at the beautiful mutton pieces, cooked so tender. The pieces are cooked very tender, very soft. Now we will add some chopped coriander leaves and some split green chilies, and then we'll give a quick mix. The coriander leaves will give a very nice flavor to the overall curry. Now we'll just add 1 teaspoon of mutton masala, meat masala, and then give a quick mix. That's it. So easy. The mutton curry is done. Enjoy with a plate of rice and then comment below how you liked it. Just plate it and then enjoy. Look at the shine on the mutton curry and how soft pieces look. You have to try this. It's done finally. Very nice. Very nice. It's brilliant. The spices, the mutton, the flavor, everything is balanced perfectly well, and mutton is also cooked very tender. You can see the pieces. So try this at home and then comment below if you like this recipe.